Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I would like to teach you another IT tutorial. Now we goes IT tutorial about Figma. So, did you know what is Figma? Figma is a design software that we can make software of it. Like we can do like this and like that. So Figma, wait, before Figma, if you guys know Canva, Canva is a uh, pretty simple design software that use template. And if you know Photoshop, Photoshop is also a design software, and it's very complex. Figma is more complex than Canva and more simpler than Photoshop. Like this, you can have some widgets in here, and yeah, you can have some description in here. Okay, and then if you want to get started with Figma, let's first open Chrome and then start typing with Figma. Let's start search for Figma. Now this is Figma's website, and then ooh, okay, for you can see how you design, align, and build matters, and do it together with Figma. And for the uh, interesting components in Figma that you can go with your friends in here, like you can make design together in here. Okay, let's just start use Figma. Okay, because I have signed in myself in here, let's start with a new account. Let's start with this account, and then let's search again for Figma. Okay, a little long, no problem. And then let's get started. You can click either this or this. Let's get started for free. Okay. Okay, guys. Because oh god, the connection, man. Can just like continue with Google because it's pretty simple, yeah. You can just click here and then just wait, and then you click here, and then we goes continue, and then we finish. Yay, we got a new account in here. Yes. Very. Ah, sorry guys, the internet connection is pretty bad. Um, so let's get started. Okay, making account is pretty easy. So let's just get started with my already get account, yeah. So if you get oh wait. Well, if you want, yeah, you can go in Figma and you can like download Figma for your desktop. Because I have download, let's just get started, yeah. Uh, when you get started, you will get something like this. Uh, it should be empty, but I have some design in here. So you can see the plus sign in here, and you can click on that, and then you are getting two options: new FigJam file and new design file. FigJam is like a whiteboard and diagram. Yes, like like this written in here. You can with your friends do some projects in here with like whiteboard and something, but now we will focus on design. Okay, and then so it will get to it will get you to this blank canvas. Actually, this is not a canvas you can design. To to make something you can design, you can use the frame, because in the frame there are some things like the shapes and then the text. It covers it all. So we can make something like, you know social media, and you can get like Instagram post. You can post this because you are a designer. So maybe you can change this like a poster or something, I don't know. You can, and then first you can, this is, you can change its colors to red, and RGB, yeah, something like that, yeah. uh First I will use uh white, and then you can like goes with this what pick color from here, but there is still doesn't anything. So in here you can choose like colors, and under of that you can get the opacity in here, like you can see the 59%, 100%, 0%, like that. Then you can choose on fill, you can see or not see, and then you can like boom, it 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 has no colors, so we will fill it. And you can see here, you have stroke like this, what, yeah, frame. You can see that black thing, maybe you cannot see it, so let's change it to red. So you can goes into center, so it will goes to inside, and both inside and outside. You can do it inside, so it will go out inside, and then of course you can do outside, and then you can boom, goes outside like that. But since this Instagram post, we will not use it more. You can do some effects, but it's later, and then you can export it. But bro, there is nothing in here, so let's give it something, yeah. First, um let's change it colors to something more interesting, and then you can add some image from, let's say, if you want some free and no copyright, you can go to unsplash.com. Unsplash, you can choose many uh images like this, and then you let's start with what, oh, Islam, maybe Islamic background. Whoa, you can see here, Masya Allah, very good, very well. Yes, then you can just got the connection, man. Okay, just wait, yeah. Very good. You can choose here download free. Alhamdulillah. Say thanks. So you can say thanks, like this, because it's free, yeah. You must know the rules, yeah. Okay. I use Need Download Manager because it's fast. Maybe I would like to give you a tutorial about how to use Need Download Manager. It's pretty good. I download many like games like 20 gigabytes for like 4 hours. It's fast, And then here you can see on my download folder, there is here the image. And for the sake of the easiest thing, you can just got can just drag it to the Figma and then boom, copy. Okay, it the image is too much resolution, yeah. So we will get to so if you want to make it smaller, you can just like this, but it not it not pretty good if you want to uh, keep the image in the same size. Yeah, so if you want to make it good, make it perfect and same image like this and not wider or wider and something like that, yeah, you can use shift and then drag. You see, you can see shift in here. Okay, and then can get it smaller like this, and then boom, can yeah, you can fit it perfectly. Sorry, you can fit it perfectly in here like this, and then boom. But but man, oh, but the colors, nah, colors is not important, man. Yes, colors is important, but if you use image like this, you can just, yeah, cover like that, very easy. If you want to crop this image, you can control first drag, you can crop it like this, and then you can crop it like this. Astagfirullah. You can crop it like this. Voila. You can see pretty good, very well. And then you can do some shapes. Okay, here you can see the rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, polygon, stars, and you can place image or video. Bruh, who place video in here, man? Like what the heck? Bro, so there is some shortcut like R for rectangle, L for line, Shift L for arrow, ellipse for ellipse, and polygon and star. So for the sake of this tutorial, you can just drag ah no, you can just take this and then you drag this, while you will make some what rectangle thing. If you want to make it more like what, yeah, more precision, more perfect, more like more square, you can use shift and then you goes like this, boom, the result boom, and wait, like this, you shift and then boom, you see the resolution is same, 286 uh and 286. This resolution is not same, yeah, you can see it. And goes to the others, yeah, you can go line in here, line you can do like this, and then you can set the opacity in here, boom 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 boom, and then you can do arrow for like mind mapping like that lah. Astagfirullah, sorry. And then you you can use this, and then you can set the opacity like this so it will get bigger. And for for the line and the arrow, you can use shift to make it more precision like this. If I release my shift, it will goes like this, it will free. And if I go shift, it will go like this, boom 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 boom, yes. And next we got ellipse. Yes, ellipse, you can make oval or some circle and something like that, yeah. And same if with the square, you can goes with You can go with uh, shift and then drag, and then you will make circle. And then we have polygon. Polygon, is it a triangle? Yes, it is a triangle. I don't know why it's polygon. Yeah, you can, if I don't hold shift, it will goes like this. Ah, and then the last, not the last, you can make star. If you press shift, you can make beautiful star like this. But it, if you do star with this, you can go star like this. And then of course you can make some, ah in here I will teach you also about layers. So ah so wait, before layers, we can, it is all the same colors, d9 d9 d9. So let's change it all for like different color for the sake of we can see the colors, man. And then we can, yeah, whatever you do, like this, and then you can click because you use the click mode. What? Oh yes, we can use the scale. Wait, scale like this. Wait. Wait. You can use the hand tool, so you can move around like this. Then you go more like this, and then you, yeah, pretty much just change the colors of this. Ah, so here we got star and a polygon. So we got rectangle in here and a star in here. Let's put star. You can, we can see it because it's same color. So let's make it more like this, and then we make that like this, and boom, we got Vietnam, man. Yes, and then you can move more precision like this. And then this is the layers, man. So this eclipse is up on the rectangle because rectangle is in here, and the eclipse in it is in here. If you move the rectangle to here, boom, it will covers the ellipse. And then this is star one. If you, if you move the star one under the rectangle, boom, you can see it because it is under the rectangle one. Let's just put in here and just dip. Well, just as simple like that. And you can do something like masking, like, yeah, but it's too complex, so we don't to care about that now. Now let's try make some poster with this. Yeah, this is just some weird weird things tutorial. Yeah, now let's get to the more tutorial. So in this post you can see here the image is not in the frame, so let's get it in on the frame because, yeah, we will pretty much use it on the frame because frame is like a canvas. And uh wait, is this not a canvas? No, it is like a free room, so you can pretty much put anything in here, put assets in here, images. But I want to try, yeah, pledge image of videos. Oh, like this, you can do like this, and then oh, put something like this. Yeah, you see two men's like this arguing about uh Vietnam, South Vietnam versus North Vietnam. Yes, and then you can give more. Wait, about videos. What is my video? Yeah, wait. Let's check videos. Yeah, la. Wait, why I can see videos, man? Ah, let's see about something like this. Wait, whoa. So I have just figured out you can go videos if you want to go professional mode, but because we are just some designer that we don't need too much about this. Actually, much better. I can see later. Maybe I can showcase you if you want. So don't forget to like, comment, and share for the next video. So in here there is the image. It's pretty good, and then we can get the text in here, and then you can set the font. Many fonts in here. But I don't know. I like the Intel one display because it's good. You can set something like importance the importance of reading the the, the Quran. Or is it the Quran? Wait. Hmm. It makes me also feeling what? Yeah. I'm also curious about this. It is Quran or Quran? Islamic and Arabic scholars say the spelling Quran is private, but in much of the non-Arabic Western parts, the name of scripture is most commonly spelled Quran. The Sun uses Quran in news stories. Oh, so the Quran is what the Western people what yeah because yeah it's pretty much about English, yeah. If we the Quran, you can see here the Quran is pronounced Quran, but if you use more something like Quran, you can the Western pronunciation is Quran. So it's just the pronunciation, yeah. But for the sake of because I'm Indonesian, I don't care about that. We can use this and then oh yes, if you want to do something more interesting, you can do something like this. Hmm, maybe we can do. Ah, you can change the color of just one word, even though it is on this. It is on the same post. It is on the same text. You can change it to the green, and then voila. You can set it to red maybe. No red, yeah. If it is blue, we can see because the background is also blue. It is called. There is knowledge about that, but I don't want to get it here. Importance maybe yellow, right? Importance. Okay. After that, you have the title in here, so we can move to get the text for the description. So let's get started. The wait, sorry. The importance of reading Quran. So in here you can see some of text about benefits and some other things, and you can see the maybe the ayah about reading Quran or the hadith on the importance of the reading Quran. You can see you can just click link, and then here we go. Okay. Oh my god. Let's just wait. Okay. So this is, our assets in here. And then you can do, as we waiting, you can see there is some plugins you can set, like Iconify. You can make some little icon is good because, yeah, for example, we are going to the Instagram post, right? So let's start check for the Instagram. Okay, you can see here so many Instagram icons, and then let's just pick something nice, like, because this is background is dark, let's just choose something more lighter, not darker like this. So let's just pick this and then import this, and then just because this window is very big, man, I don't know why they not put. You can put it away, or just can click it, and then you can see the image is in here, and then you can resize it, and then you can put it in here. Oh, but the icon is not, we can see the icon. Well, you can just, we can see here the selection colors is black, so let's just um, change it to white, and then you can go to another text, and then you can put your name here, select the size, put your name like Muhammad Zaidan, boom, then whoa, very good, very well. If so, we can make it more precisely in here, because I don't know why. You can use the arrow on your computer, so it will be more perfect. Because this is much more bigger, you can set it more bigger like this, and then like this. Okay, let's check it out. So, Bismillah. Let's just try to copy it, and then go it to the Figma, and then put the text on here. Control C and Control V. Wow. The Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. It's small lot because it's Arab, and you can just go for another font like this. I think this is good. You can make it more color. Oh, wait, and then you can color it like this. Or you can just, it is the using this, pick the color, and then you can boom like this. Very good. Okay, just like this. I'm sure it will get more more people can look at it very easily. So you can go like make it more bigger and something like that. And then you can also goes out and then drag it, so it will goes another text, and then we can go this, can change this. Hmm wait Oh, this is a link. Well, I can see the link, like this. So let's just copy and then let's see, like this. Oh bro, it is a link, man. 5027 +27. Yeah, copy link is not something you want to do. You can go Sahih al Bukhari, and then you can go to change the color like this, and then you can resize it. Salam. Okay, you got that text, and then you have this. Okay, it's pretty good actually, but you can was there's still empty space in here, so let's just it's good, I think actually. I think I have too much stuff, yes, like that. So okay, yes, you have done your poster, and then you can go export it, export Instagram post. You can choose the format in here, how much you want to not multiply, yeah. The resolution you can go just normal, or you can go boom, I don't know lah, very big, and then you can go your folder, let's say downloads, and then boom, you can see here the poster, man. You can just post it on Instagram. Okay, that is very long video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm sorry if there is mistake. Bye bye everyone, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.